Hey everybody, and welcome back to Agent Real Tech. So today we're going to jump into 3 tips that recently came out with iOS 16 that I think will hugely benefit us as real estate agents. Alright, so first on the list is going to be focus modes and backgrounds. So in iOS 15, different focus modes came out, and as I swipe through here, you can see now we also have different backgrounds. So how this can correlate in the world of real estate is you can set specific backgrounds to the focus mode that you set up. So this one is for fitness, I've got this one for sleep, and then the others just for general use. So very simply, if you're going out on an appointment or you're going to meet a client and you want to set your focus mode, you just click the focus mode, and now your background and your phone and all of your different lock screens have changed to that specific focus mode. Next on the list is the ability to edit and unsend messages. So let's just type up a quick message of, "Hey bud," hit send, and once I hit send, I actually realize I forgot the exclamation point. So you press on this message and you've got an edit option, and now I can put that exclamation point and send it. But now that I've sent this message, I realize I don't actually want to send it. So I can press and hold, and I can do undo send, and now that message is gone. Caveat here, the client also has to have iOS 16 on their iPhone, or your unsend doesn't actually do anything, or your edit doesn't actually do anything. So just be warned on that piece. And last but certainly not least is the ability to mark a text message as unread. I'm not sure if you have had the same scenario, but there have been many times that I have received a text from a client only to open it and then completely forget to respond to them. So now you've got the ability, when you swipe left, you can delete or mute a message, but now when you swipe right, you can just tap this blue bar and that will mark this message as unread. Alright, well that wraps up another video here on Agent Real Tech. Hope you guys are able to pull something great out of this. Comment down below if there's one of these tips that you think you're going to use the most, or if there's one that you think I should have included in this list. Be sure to like and subscribe and follow for more content. Later, neighbor.